Class 6th, very short answer type questions. Question number 1. What is the basis of using sieving as a method of separation? Means why we use sieving as a method of separation. And when we are using sieving as a method of separation, then what is our base? Now come to the answer. The constituent of the mixture should have different sizes. If the constituent of the mixture they are of different sizes, then we will use sieving method. Now come to question number 2. Name the method used to pick up iron objects from garbage. If in the garbage iron objects are present, then which method is used to pick up the iron object? Children, its answer is very simple: magnetic separation. By magnetic separation method, the iron objects can be picked up from the garbage. Now come to question number 3. Name the process by which clear fluid is transferred to another vessel when heavy particles get settled down. Means the process, you have to tell the process by which clear fluid is transferred to another vessel when heavy particles get settled down. Children, the answer is sedimentation and decantation, because we know in the sedimentation process the sediments they settle at the bottom and the clear water, so this is poured into another container by the decantation process. Now the question number 4, define evaporation. Children, here we have to write the definition of evaporation. Come to the answer. The process of conversion of liquid phase substance into vapor phase is called evaporation. Means, or simply you can say the process of conversion of liquid state into gaseous state is called evaporation. Now come to next question. What do you understand by filtration? You have to tell the meaning of filtration. Children, filtration is a process by which insoluble solids can be separated from the liquid by using some filter. Here we use some strainer or filter which help to separate insoluble solid from the mixture. Now come to next question. Name the process used to separate two miscible liquid. The answer is distillation and fractional distillation method. So these methods are used to separate two miscible liquids. Next question is, name the process used to separate common salt and sugar. The answer is sieving. By sieving process we can separate common salt and sugar.